like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification. Hi and welcome to Desi Pantry. Today we're going to show you how to cook chicken Kiev. So to do this we're going to need approximately 1 kg chicken breast cut and filleted. We need to make sure that they are filleted at nice equal lengths. At the same time we're going to need half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 5 to 6 crushed garlic cloves, three tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, half a tablespoon of salt, and approximately about 150 grams of butter, and this is to be kept at room temperature. We're also going to need about 50 grams of mozzarella cheese, and a bit later on we're going to mix this with 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Also we're going to require some cocktail sticks, and for frying later on we're going to need some flour, some breadcrumbs, and 3 scrambled eggs. So we need to tenderize the chicken fillet. In order to do this we can normally use a tenderizing hammer. Now I don't actually have one, so therefore we're going to use the pestle out of a pestle and mortar. We're now going to make the filling for our chicken Kiev. And to do this we're going to take 150 grams of unsalted butter, we're going to add to that our crushed cloves of garlic, and to this we are then going to add our salt. So if you're already using salted butter, I'd recommend not adding the salt. Now we can add our 3 tablespoons of crushed parsley. We're now going to season our chicken with a bit of salt and pepper. Sprinkle some salt and then some pepper over your chicken fillet. Once this is done, rub the salt into the chicken fillet. Turn it over and repeat the process. Now take some lemon juice and drizzle it over the chicken fillet. Rub the lemon juice into the chicken. Turn it over and repeat the process. So now we're going to take the cheddar cheese and we're now going to mix this with the mozzarella cheese. We're now going to take one of our chicken fillets and add to that our butter parsley mix from earlier on. spread that over the chicken fillet. Now add some of that cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Now, carefully roll the chicken fillet. Once rolled, we're going to use the cocktail sticks to fasten the chicken. Be very careful because they can be sharp. We've used 3 cocktail sticks, one here, one on this side, and one across the chicken. We are now ready to coat the chicken with breadcrumbs. First, dip it in the flour. Make sure it is well covered. Once you have done that, then dip it in the scrambled egg. Now we're ready for the breadcrumbs. Make sure you fully cover it in the breadcrumbs. This is now ready for frying. Now, in heated oil, carefully place the chicken Kievs in the oil. Once they are golden brown, they are now ready to be served. Before you serve the chicken Kievs, be very sure to remove the cocktail sticks you added from earlier. The chicken Kiev is now ready. We're now going to serve it with chips and coleslaw. Thank you for following our recipe. If you'd like to know more recipes from Desi Pantry, please subscribe to our channel.